behind me you can actually see the P1800. It's from 1962. It's a customer car. It's so much work done on this, and I'm looking forward to actually having paint on this. You're going to be with me in the booth when I lay all the color and clear coat. That's going to be epic, and I can't wait. 6 months of just hammering, welding, bondo, sanding, you name it. But here you go, guys. So a 1962 year model. They are looking awesome. I really love this type of model on a Volvo. That's the nicest race car I think they ever done. The next step is actually just to do everything perfect. I want all the gaps to be 100%. After that, we're actually going to do a pH primer, then some usual or regular primer, and then we're actually going to focus on the inside. So we are actually going to take off the doors, the back lid and hood, and then we're actually going to do paint on all on the inside of the car, under the car, and all the inside of the loose parts. Then when that's finished, we're going to hang everything on again, prime it and mask it up in the box again, and then we're going to shoot the outside of the car. This car has to be 100% perfect, and you're going to be with me. If you like this type of content, please comment in the comment section below. If you want to see how I'm grinding down stuff, or big panels, small panels, watch papers, watch primer or material I use, just comment in the comment section below. We're in the paint booth right now, as you see. The P1800 is actually covered up and maxed up. So we're going to do trunk compartment and then in the engine bay. So what we did, just masked it up, as you can see here, and we sanded it down 500, 800 grit. We're going to do some degreaser and wipe it down really properly. And then we're actually going to add the first layer of paint. So engine bay looks like this. It's prepped and ready for paint. And the paint is amazing, guys. Paint is actually an own mix that I've done. A Volvo original color. And then I actually took a Suzuki, a bike color. Mixed them two together. And it looks really, really awesome. It's going to be subtle, but in the sun. It's going to surprise you. Finished off with the trunk compartment, engine bay, everything's painted. I'm sorry guys, my phone actually died, it didn't record anything. It was so hard actually getting paint in all the crevices and everything. But yeah, it's more fun to actually see the results, and I think it's really good. The customer had some notes or specifications, so all the wheel wells was the important part. Because that the eye meets, so we focused more on that. We did 2 coats, 2.5 coats of clear on the most important areas, and the things that are going to be covered up with flooring and stuff like that, we just laid 1.5 layer of clear coat. So here you actually got the results. I'm super happy, and the areas that our customer actually pointed out was the wheel wells. So that's really, really shiny and nice. This was a hell to paint, I tell you. So what I did, I actually sat down here in the middle and just figure, if you ever seen a paint gun spray clear or paint, that's like you have everything in your eyes, so you can't see anything. So you it's really good that you have a mask on and use protection, right? But I'm super happy with this. We can go to the front, and it's also really, really nice. As the customer had the specifications, wheel wells again, that's really shiny and nice. So this is the engine bay. I really think the customer is going to be super happy with this, and I'm really happy about the color. I'm going to show you that one in the sun. It's crazy, it's popping like hell, and it's dark and solid and subtle in usual light. I have good lights in the paint booth, but with an extra light on there, it looks epic. Yeah, actually next stage, this is gonna dry up. We're gonna put the paint booth on like 40 degrees Celsius, just to speed up the heating process and for the clear to heal. And next thing is actually wrapping off the car, sanding it down one final time, mask everything off that actually is painted now. We're gonna protect that as good as we can. That time, I hope my camera doesn't die. That's more fun to see when I actually paint the body. So I'm really happy. I really hope you enjoy this content. As I said before, please comment in the comment section below if you actually want to see more in detail what we do, how we do it. If you have any questions at all, just write them in the comment section below. I'm not going to judge you, I'm here to help. Are you psyched to see the car painted? Because I am. 8 months in the doing. We're going to sand this down and mask it off, and then you're going to see me paint and lay this crazy color on this beautiful car.